Hi everyone, it's Heather Tow-Yick, Issaquah School District Superintendent, and I want to welcome you to the school year. I'm so excited for this 26-27 school year because there's so many amazing things that are going to be happening, and we're building upon an incredible foundation of last year. I want to remind people of some basic facts about the Issaquah School District. We're actually a very large organization. We have a budget of over $415 million. We have over 2,500 employees. We have 29 learning sites, and we have 4 operational sites. So when I think about our district, we're a large district in the state of Washington, and we serve over 18,500 students. So it means that we have a lot to juggle and a lot to manage, and there's always something happening. There were 3 renewal levies on the ballot in February, and our community provided the support that gave us enough support to pass those, and we're so grateful and we're so thrilled. A lot of that work has been happening behind the scenes to get ready for implementation, to get ready for critical repairs. We do collect that revenue in 2027, so you'll start to see much more activity in the coming year towards the end of the school year. But I do want to say what has come up, because this is a big deal through our levy process, is that we are facing rising cost and declining enrollment. Specifically, we're seeing declining enrollment at the elementary school. And so what that means is that we have uneven enrollment across all of our elementary sites and at some of our middle school sites. However, we are seeing very high enrollment still at the high school level. And in fact, our 3 comprehensive high schools are overcrowded today. So we'll be talking about what this means in terms of our budgeting and in terms of our attendance areas over the course of this year. It also means, though, with the steady rates of enrollment at the high school level, that we will be launching a new high school. And that's not only to alleviate the overcrowding that exists today, it's actually an opportunity for us to really lean into what do we want to be true in the experiences in our school district that will enable our kids to be successful once they step off of the graduation stage. So for us at this new high school, we'll have offerings that touch upon very career-connected, real-world learning experiences focused on robotics and engineering, entrepreneurship, and health sciences. So you can look out for more information about that this fall. We want to make sure our students feel a sense of belonging and have resources to support them in being able to access learning at the highest levels possible. And we want to make sure every student gets what they need. So for us, this connection is really important as we recenter on learning, on well-being, to ensure our students can thrive in the future and be able to access the kinds of skills and future post-secondary opportunities that set them up for a lifetime of success. Part of that success, to me, is about hope. Hope is actually a concept that kept coming up in the development of a portrait of a graduate. Do our students have hope for the future? And then in our strategic plan, we are also centering on building that sense of hope specifically within our day-to-day work. What hope really is not just a dream and an aspiration. It's actually rooted in psychological research. It's about clear and meaningful goals that are relevant. It's about many pathways to achieve those goals. And it's about fostering agency and willpower so that one can be resilient in the face of adversity. For me, hope is quite simply an anchor as we face adversity and challenge in the pursuit of our dreams. With that, I'm really excited about this school year because we can do hard things together. And we ultimately are a system of humans, and things are going to pop up, and a lot is going on at all times. So with that, we look forward to tackling those hard things together, and I'll see you around.